Hello children, welcome to the online classes. In our last class, we read the lesson about Hari and the fairy. I hope you have remembered the story. Okay, let us revise once again. What was the story about? The name of the lesson was Hari and the fairy. And what is this lesson about? Hari was a woodcutter, and one day he went to the forest for cutting the wood. Woodcutter will cut the wood and earn money on that wood. So he went to the forest to cut the wood and sell that wood in the market. Then what happened? He was sitting on one big tree and he was cutting the wood. He was sitting near the tree which is near the lake, and he was cutting the wood, and suddenly what happened? His axe slipped and fell into the well, and he was very poor. He can't buy a new axe, and he became very sad because his axe fell into the lake. Then he was very sad, and because he was not rich and he can't buy a new axe. Then when he was sitting very sad, what happened? A beautiful fairy has come out of the lake. Then she asked, "What happened, Hari? Why you are very sad?" Then the Hari told about what has happened. Like when he was sitting on the wood and cutting the wood, his axe slipped and fell into the lake. Then fairy said, "Okay, don't worry. I will bring and give you the lake from I will bring and give you the axe from the lake." Then what happened? When fairy put her hand into the lake and she bought a silver axe. Then Hari has seen that axe and said, No, this is not my axe." And then again he became sad. Then fairy said, "Okay, don't worry, I will give you one more axe. I will find out your axe." Then again fairy put her hand into the lake. Then now this time she bought a golden axe. When Hari has seen the golden axe, Hari said that this is also not my axe, and again he became upset and became very sad. Then what happened? Then this time fairy put her hand into the lake. Then she bought an old wooden iron axe. Then Hari jumped up with joy, and she said, and he was very happy and said, "Wow, this is not my axe. This is my axe." Then fairy gave that axe to the Hari. Then and fairy became very happy and said that because you were very honest and you did not take the golden and the silver axes, so I am very happy with you because you are very truthful and honest. So I wanted to give you these two axes also as a gift. Then she put the two axes into his hand and she has disappeared, and Hari became very happy with his old axe. Okay, so this is about the story. Let us now write the new words. Okay, take out your classwork, write date, write name of the lesson. New words. Okay, first one, WOOD, wood. CUTTER, cutter, woodcutter. Yesterday, YESTER, DAY, day, yesterday. FOREST, forest. MORNING, morning. FAIRY, fairy. FAIRY, fairy. BEAUTI, FUL, beautiful. SILVER, silver. UPSCT, upset. JUMPED, jumped. DISAPPEARED, disappeared. DISAPPEARED, disappeared. Okay. WOOD, wood. CUTTER, cutter, woodcutter. YESTERDAY, yesterday. Okay. FOREST, forest. MORNING, morning. FAIRY, fairy. BEAUTIFUL, beautiful. SILVER, silver. SILVER, silver. UPSCT, upset. JUMPED, jumped. DISAPPEARED, disappeared. Okay. This you complete, and today it's your homework is like completing this notes only, and learn also whatever the notes you have written, you have to learn. Okay, children. And then let us go to the question and answers. Turn the page. So what is this? Let's read and find facts. Okay. Put the heading. Let's read and find facts. What was Hari doing near the lake? What was Hari doing near the lake? What was Hari doing near the lake? Hari was cutting wood. Hari was cutting wood. What was Hari doing near the lake? Hari was cutting wood near the lake. Hari was cutting wood near the lake. Hari was cutting wood near the lake. Okay. Then leave one line. Second one. Why was he sad? Why was he sad? Hari was sad because his axe had slipped and fell into the lake. Slipped and fall into the lake. Hari was sad because his axe had slipped and fall into the lake. What was Hari doing near the lake? Hari was cutting wood near the lake. Why was he sad? Hari was sad because his axe had slipped and fall into the lake. Then leave one line, third one. Where did the fairy take out the silver axe from did Hari take it? Where did fairy take out the silver axe? Fairy took out the silver axe from the lake. So place is not sufficient here. So I am going to the next page. Okay. The fairy took out the silver axe from the lake. The lake. Hari. Did Hari took? No, Hari did not. Did not take it. Okay. The fairy took out the silver axe from the lake. Hari did not take it. The fairy took out the silver axe from the lake. Hari did not take it. Okay, then leave one line. Fourth one. What was the second axe made of? What was the second axe made of? The second axe was made of gold. The second axe was made of gold. What was the second axe made of? The second axe was made of gold. The second axe was made of gold. Okay. When did Hari jump with joy? When did Hari jump with joy? When he found his old axe, no? Hari jumped with joy when the fairy took out his old axe from the lake. Okay. Hari jumped with joy when the fairy took out his old axe from the lake. Okay. Next, here place will not be sufficient for the question and answer. Let's turn the page. Sixth one. What did the fairy give Hari as gifts? What fairy gave? The fairy gave Hari. The fairy gave Hari the golden and silver axes as gifts. The fairy gave Hari the golden and silver axes as gifts. Okay, then from first onwards, let us read one more time. What was Hari doing near the lake? Hari was cutting wood near the lake. Why was he sad? Hari was sad because his axe had slipped and fallen into the lake. Where did the fairy take out the silver axe from? Did Hari take it? The fairy took out the silver axe from the lake. Hari did not take it. What was the second axe made of? The second axe was made of gold. When did Hari jump with joy? Hari jumped with joy when the fairy took out his old axe from the lake. Okay. Next turn. What did the fairy give Hari as gifts? The fairy gave Hari the golden and silver axes as gifts. Okay. Next here we finished. Then page number 90 we have, let's read between the lines. Did Hari use a silver axe, an iron axe, a golden axe? So what did Hari use? Hari used an iron axe, no? Put a tick mark on the iron axe. Can you cut wood with a silver or a golden axe? Can we cut wood? No. Just write it no here. Okay? No. What do you think Hari did with his gifts? What do you think Hari did with his gifts? So, this answer we will write in the classwork. Okay? Let's continue. Only one question there, no children. So, just write here 7th one. Put that question here. What do you think? What do you think, children, Hari might have done with that golden and silver axes? Can we cut the wood with the silver and golden axes? No, we can't cut, no, because they are very soft. They are not hard to cut. We can't cut with silver or gold. See, think that can we cut wood with a bangle? Bangle is made of gold, no? Your earrings, your mom's earrings, mom's bangles or necklace. Can we cut wood with that things? No, we can't, no. The same way, anklets are made of silver, no. With that silver anklets, can we cut wood? No. So, it is impossible to cut the wood with the golden or silver axes. So, what Hari might have done with that? So, I think Hari might have sold the golden and silver. I think Hari might have sold the golden and silver axes and earned a lot of money. So, he will not be poor anymore. He will become rich. I think Hari might have sold the golden and silver axes in the market and earned a lot of money. Okay, when we sell gold and silver axes, we will get more money. With that money, we can buy big building, many axes or whatever nice clothes, many food items, many things we can buy, and we can become rich. We can do business and we can earn a lot of money. Okay, then now complete this. This is only for your homework today. You have to complete with your notes and you have to learn also. That's all for today. We'll meet in our next class with another topic. Have a good day.